Hello, motorcycle enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of FTRT adjustable short brake clutch levers, specifically designed for the YZF R6 models from 2005 to 2016 and the YZF R1 from 2004 to 2008. Crafted with precision from 6061T6 aluminum using CNC technology, these levers offer a delicate appearance and a strong metal texture that perfectly complements your bike. The anodized surface not only adds an exquisite finish but also forms a protective film to prevent oxidation, ensuring your levers remain pristine over time. Available in 4 vibrant colors, these levers allow you to customize your ride and make it truly unique. Durability is key, with the anodized finish and 304 stainless steel bolt ensuring resistance to rust and oxidation. Before purchasing, make sure your motorcycle's year and model align with the specifications in the title, and remember, FTRT offers a 1-year warranty for peace of mind. If you have any questions or encounter any issues, their customer service is ready to assist you promptly. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.